Hi, I'm Dr. Abdelhakim El Gheriani, diplomate in the American Board of Orthodontics, consultant orthodontist, and I'm here to talk to you about our upcoming TADS course that's going to take place at the CAPP Training Center in Dubai. This course will be on August the 19th and 20th, and the two-day program will entail all aspects of TADS. Some of the exercises that we'll be doing and some of the instruments that we'll be using are actually right here in front of me. We're going to be placing the traditional alveolar TADS. We're going to be placing TADS in the palate. We're going to be placing TADS in sheep's mandibles to simulate real-life TAD placement in bone. We're also going to be using, for the first time, a simulated appliance manufacturer. So on our first day, one of our exercises will be to place TADS in the palate. And we've got the motorized contra-angle drivers, and we've got the handheld drivers, so we'll be using those to place TADS in the palate. Then we're fortunate to have the iTero scanner, where we're going to scan, and then these scans will be sent to a lab and they will manufacture an appliance. But on the second day, we're going to be fitting into our typodons. So again, very excited to be doing this for the first time. We'll also have special models to simulate placement in the infrazygomatic crest and the retromolar areas. So pretty much it's a very comprehensive course. It's over 2 days and we hope to see you there. So for anyone who wants to learn more about TADS, who has not used TADS or who wants to do more with the TADS that they are placing, this is the course for you. We hope to see you soon and take care.